Hello guys, today we will draw the eyes of Rose
with Dome's pencil color, which is of
only $1. I have already made a sketch of Rose.
let's start creation. Before coloring, always make your sketch as light as possible so that when you color pencil strokes should not be visible. Otherwise it gives really a bad look. So let's begin coloring. I always start with eyeball. I am using purple color. Now just color all over the surface smooth. In eyeball, if you see carefully, you will see linings across all over the eyeball. So with some more little pressure, make these lines. Always keep your pencil sharp for best result. With full focus and time, as in portrait, the most attractive and visible part is eye only. Make pupil with black color. Now I am doing eyelid with brown and face color. It is looking dull. Many of you may think first we should complete making eyelashes, giving highlights, but all these things should be done at the last because while coloring black gets smug with the other colors and giving highlight before is worthless as while coloring it will become dull due to repeatedly getting touched by our hands and any color which will be unsatisfying.
And we will have to give highlight again. So please try to avoid these things.
Do blue color in cornea of eye. Do not leave it white. Add red to show muscles in the corner. In the bottom of the eye, also use orange color lightly, giving shade with brown. Now comes my favorite color turn, black. I will just give depth to the eye and make eyelashes using black. Again, I am saying always keep your pencil as sharp to get fine lines. Giving eyelashes is very easy. Just move your hand freely in straight line, yet it requires a lot of practice. I am giving highlights with white acrylic color. You may also use white gel pen for the same purpose. You can see it is almost completed.
But not completely as it also constitutes of eyebrow and eyelids. So let's do that.
I will use various colors like face color as base, then pink color, orange, red and purple. All should be blended properly. And I am using scrubbing method here for blending. Just move your hand in circular motion and color will be blended. But color with required pressure. Similarly, we will also color in the lower side with the same process. Again, I am using brown and black to give more deepness wherever required. This is a very colorful as she had used eyeshadows over her eyes, so we will also have to give the same effect. Now we will do the eyebrow. Here also first give base color of purple, orange, brown. Now again use same color with more pressure. Draw hairs. To give more detail, I am using black color. Now at last our eye has been completed.